flying to China with an iPhone. Do not wait to install your VPN, because the moment you land, it may already be too late. In 2017, Apple removed large numbers of VPN apps from its mainland China App Store after a government request. Many mainstream VPN apps still are not available through that storefront. And many VPN websites, along with familiar services such as Google, YouTube, WhatsApp, and Instagram, can be blocked on ordinary mainland networks. So if the app is not already on your phone, fixing the problem after arrival becomes much harder. But here's the good news. There is a practical option with documented obfuscated server support on iPhone, plus one setup detail travelers often miss. Let us fix this before you fly. In the next few minutes, you will see what works on an iPhone, what to avoid, the exact 4-step setup, and how to test it before the trip. Quick heads up, the links below are affiliate links, and I earn a commission at no extra cost to you. That is also why I am going to show you the limitations before the recommendation. So why is China especially awkward for iPhone users? The App Store restriction is not a temporary outage. It began years ago, and the mainland storefront still differs from stores in other regions. If you land and search for the exact VPN you plan to use, it may not be available, or the store may not connect at all. The part people do not expect is that the provider's website may be blocked too, so Safari is not a reliable backup plan. On top of that, the Great Firewall uses several detection techniques, including traffic analysis and deep packet inspection, to identify and disrupt recognizable VPN patterns. A normal-looking VPN connection can therefore fail even when the app itself opens correctly. Put it together and the message is simple. Install, log in, and test everything before you fly. There is also an Apple account region workaround, and I will show you where it fits during setup. Now, which VPN should you prepare? Here is where I have to be honest, because reliability inside China can change by network, city, and even by the week. No consumer VPN can honestly promise a 100% success rate behind the Great Firewall. A service can be excellent for privacy everywhere else, and still be unreliable on a restricted mainland network. So what improves the odds? Obfuscation changes the visible shape of the connection so it is harder to separate from ordinary encrypted web traffic. It does not make the connection invisible, but it removes some of the obvious signals that a sensor can target. NordVPN is one current option because its apps include protocols for restrictive networks and access to obfuscated servers. Nord's current support guide documents the same specialty servers and obfuscated path for both Android and iOS. The iPhone app also includes a kill switch, and the company's no-logs claims have been examined in multiple independent assurance engagements. That is evidence of useful preparation, not a guarantee that every hotel, airport, or mobile network will cooperate. I will put the current offer below and show the exact setup in a moment. Before you rush off, 2 honest cautions. First, the largest discount shown in the recording is up to 76% on a 2-year plan, with 4 extra months on the captured offer. The introductory price is low, but the plan renews at a higher rate after the first term, so set a reminder like you would for any subscription. NordVPN also advertises a 30-day money-back guarantee, which gives you time to install and test the service subject to the published refund terms. Second, the legal side. China restricts unauthorized VPN use, and official reports describe enforcement as uneven rather than non-existent. Travelers should check current local rules, avoid sensitive activity, and understand that a refund guarantee does not remove legal or connectivity risk. Do not panic, but do not treat the situation as risk-free either. Okay, setup. The mistake that ruins the plan is waiting until arrival, when the download page or the first login may already be blocked. Let us make sure that is not you. Here is the whole setup in 4 steps. Step 1, and this is the big one. Download and install the app at home while your internet connection and App Store access are still open. People wait, land in China, and discover that the exact app or page they need is no longer reachable. Step 2, create your account, log in, and confirm that you can reach any email or authenticator needed for 2-factor verification. A safe password is not enough if the second factor is tied to a service you cannot open after landing. Step 3. In the current NordVPN app, open specialty servers and tap obfuscated. That route is designed for restrictive networks by hiding some of the usual signs of VPN usage. Step 4. Choose an available obfuscated location in a nearby region, such as Hong Kong or Singapore when those locations are offered. A shorter route is often faster, which matters for maps, calls, and streaming. A quick Apple account note. Changing country or region can require canceling subscriptions, spending the remaining balance, and adding a valid payment method for the new region. That is why installing the app before the trip is usually cleaner than trying to change your store region at the airport. Then test the complete path at home. Open the app, connect, load several sites, and confirm that reconnecting works. The app shown here is NordVPN, and the first link below opens the current offer. So let us bring it home. You know why the iPhone gets trapped: regional app store limits, blocked sites, and VPN traffic that can be detected. You know why obfuscation matters and why no provider should be presented as guaranteed inside China. You know the 4-step setup, including the specialty server's path and the Apple account complication. And you know the offer, renewal, refund, and legal cautions before you buy. One thing is left, and you have to do it before you fly. So here is your move. Do not wait until you are standing in a Chinese airport with an iPhone that cannot reach the download page or complete the first login. Install and test NordVPN now, while your normal app store and internet access are available. The captured offer shows up to around 76% off and 4 extra months on the 2-year plan, but offers vary, so check the checkout page before paying. The published 30-day money-back guarantee gives you a defined testing window, subject to NordVPN's terms. The affiliate link is pinned in the description and top comment, and it should open the current deal directly. Set it up before you fly. Future you will thank you. Safe travels, and keep the apps you need ready before the plane leaves. I have linked my China travel apps video right here.